Hello, it's Bonnie from Everything Country CA, and today for my first video of the new year, I'm going to do an unboxing of a set of pink depression glass that I bought in late October, and then I was so busy with Christmas I didn't get a chance to even open it after I bought it. So what I'm going to do is basically open the box and see what there was. Now I'll show you what I paid. The listing said $20 and there was like 22 pieces, but she did say that some of the pieces had chips on the little dessert dishes, so those ones I know are damaged. I'm just going to pull everything out. Let's just see. Pull them out. See what we got here. First one. I can't quite even remember. I know I did start trying to look up some things from the pictures, but yeah, wasn't that beautiful? So that I think is Anchor Hocking, but I will confirm that. I'll just throw these other ones aside. There were quite a few plates in this. You know, this looks like an Anchor Hocking. So some little side plates. And generally these are worth about $5 each. So to get everything for $20 was a pretty good deal. I will show the comparables after all's said and done. Oh yeah, this is a little candy dish or tray that you could put trinkets in. And that's really cute. It's got a heart on it. That's what we've got so far. I think this might be the teacup. And I think there were a couple of teacups in the set. Yes. Okay. I think that was the coronation pattern. I will put it up for you. And this, yeah, this is, this, I thought originally it might be Indiana glass, but it's something called the American Beauty pattern by Macbeth-Evans or something like that. I'm going to put it up on the screen because I can't remember as I open it now, but again, like one of these plates would be, I think, worth about $10. So, and that's in good condition. Like these ones all here are in good condition. I put these little dessert ones beside. Let's see if this is another, yes, this is another teacup. Oh, this is the creamer. Okay, so I need to look this one up. Look at that pattern. Now that might be Indiana glass, or it might be related to this pattern with the American Beauty by Macbeth-Evans. Not sure. I will look that one up. Now here's another of the smaller plate. Now this might be the saucer for the cup. Yeah, that looks about right. That makes sense. I think that's another dessert. Another plate. Yeah, so there's another one of those. And another one of those. So those look like perfect condition. And they have that scalloped edge, which is quite nice. And there's another base. So I think that's for the teacup. And then there's another one. So I think there's only 2 teacups in this set. Yeah, there's a few of those ones. Now, as I said, I haven't looked at this since late October. I was so busy with Christmas and trying to decorate. I hope you guys got a chance to look at my Christmas room displays, my home tour. And I hope you enjoyed those. Okay, and these are all going to be great for my pink depression glass collection. As I said, you know, $20 Canadian for everything is amazing, and they're good pieces to fill in my collection. Oh, these are little side plates. Look at that. Isn't that cute? So a little luncheon plate and a little side plate. And there are, looks like, 3 of those. Okay, so 3, and they're all perfect. Look at, there's no damage on those. So that's it for the box. And then these were the little dessert bowls. Now, she said there was a chip. I think there's a chip on the bottom. Yeah, the chip is on the bottom. There's a little bit of a chip, which is a shame, but she did tell me about those. So yeah, each of these look like they're chipped. And the same with that one. Yeah, that's even worse. How many of these are there? There was one good one. I could use it as a sugar bowl. That would be good. Let's just see. One looks good. No, that's got a chip as well. Okay, here we go. And this is the other teacup. So basically 5 of these dessert bowls, they are all damaged, although one is, oh, that one's quite damaged. This, you know, they all have a chip. Oh well. And then 3 of these little side plates. These are the 2 that are this American Beauty pattern by, I think it's Macbeth-Evans. I'm going to put it up again. And then Anchor Hocking in that triangle shape. Quite lovely. And I think this is a coronation pattern. I can't remember the brand, but I will put it up for you. And then this little trinket dish. So quite a good haul for $20 Canadian for all those pieces. And I will put some comparables up for you now. And thanks for watching. That was my pink depression glass haul. And really happy to get those to add to my pink depression glass collection. I will be doing a Valentine's display hopefully soon. And then that I probably will do pink depression glass for Valentine's. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you again next week. I'll probably be doing another unboxing next week, and I look forward to showing you that. Thanks for watching.